Why paglubad na mother na mo sa among chapter. Kaya kung wala po siya, wala po mi karon. Ako nang saludo ni FRMG Emerald Paronzo. Please stand for our chapter president. The regional, provincial, and chapter presidents, fellow Moharicans, ladies and gentlemen, good morning! Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. It is with my great honor, pride, and immense pleasure to start this occasion by heartily and warm welcoming you all in the 7th Philippine Guardians Brotherhood International Maharlika PGBMI National Convention 2024. And I know everyone feels excited and happy as you see our fellow brothers and sisters on this very momentous event. This annual convention aims to reunite our ideals and aspirations, leading towards progressive and vibrant Maharlikans organization. Pwede ba kuhita ang imong tapad diha sa imong lamisa karon? O ingna, kumusta bro and sis sa imong pag-abot din sa Surigao City? Palihog ko rin? Marajaw Karajaw na pag-abot Surigao City! Marajaw Karajaw ba? Okay. This activity will serve as an avenue to bridge brotherhood and sisterhood spirits during this legendary two-day events. May this day become fruitful and productive as we continue this program. Feel at home, my dear brothers and sisters Moharicans, in our beloved island of the city adventures, Surigao City. Marajaw Karajaw sa inyong pag-abot. Welcome, 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 my fellow Moharicans. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang Moharicans! Mabuhay ang Moharicans! Mabuhay ang Moharicans! Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan.
Thank you so much, RMG Tiger, for your welcome message. At this point, ladies and gentlemen,